Loan officer Wilkens Fenelus described to coworkers the painful ordeal he endured on August 25th, the day he spent without eating his native Haitian food. Quote, "It was awful," recalled Fenelus, who has never gone a full day without consuming at least one Haitian meal. Just awful. According to coworkers, a severely distressed Fenelus chronicled the agonizing experience of missing his daily fix of Haitian food the first time in his life to his colleagues prior to a weekly loan review team meeting. Quote, "I know Fenelus is very passionate about his country's food," said fellow employee Patricia Collins. "You'd think he'd be okay with it, but he seemed way too upset about missing one Haitian meal." Ever since he can remember, Fenelus has always made at least one course of Haitian food part of his daily diet. It all began at home, where Fenelus' mother constantly made sure there was plenty of Haitian food in the house. "Every day, my mom always whips up a delicious dish, like a creamy cornmeal with avocado or tasso beef with rice and beans. I just can't get enough of it. On the weekends, you can count on mom to make her famous Haitian bouillon and boulette. Then I generally wash it all down with a cola one. Makes me hungry just thinking about it." The 27-year-old admitted to coworkers that the entire traumatic episode resulted from a grave miscalculation and could have been completely avoided. "I usually stop by my parents' house to grab a plate on my way home from work, but they're out of town this week." As a precautionary measure, Fenelus referred to his favorite go-to Haitian restaurants nearby to fulfill his overwhelming cravings. "What I failed to factor in is that I worked overtime that day going over dozens of delinquent loans. By the time I called the restaurants in the evening, they either were closed or ran out of food. I should have ordered earlier." Following the setbacks, a flustered Fenelus came to grips with the full extent of the situation that he was about to be deprived of Haitian food that day. With a sense of disbelief and resignation, Fenelus reluctantly gave in to his hunger and chowed down on some cashew chicken from one of the local takeout Chinese restaurants. In the wake of this epic ordeal, Fenelus pledges he will be better prepared to ensure this terrible incident does not repeat. "Believe me, I've learned my lesson. From now on, my fridge will be filled with Haitian food to last me at least 2 weeks." This is Max here for Eleki News.